My name's Nicole Morrow. I'm with MasTec Advanced Technologies, and I'm the Director of Talent Acquisition in our organization. My favorite part of Collaborate is talking to all of the other businesses that are here, as well as people within First Advantage's organization. We get to learn so many things about all the changes that is happening with laws so our company can stay in compliance. I would tell them that it is a great event to attend for the reason that you get to have a little bit of fun, but at the same time you get so many updates that are happening in every facet of the organization that you may be looking for, from drug testing to background to adjudications. Like if there's something you need, there is a session that you can learn from and take it back to your team to make those changes.